Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back another box break. Took a trip to the LCS, actually two of them. Picked up a couple boxes. 2012 Leaf Ultimate Draft Baseball and 2012 Panini Signature Series. Do a break of each one. First up, do the 2012 Leaf Ultimate Draft. So let's get to it. 5 autograph cards per box. Got it for a pretty good deal. Alright. Oh, got one card that slid around here. Oh no, these are thick. Holy cow, I didn't realize they were that thick. Alright, first up, got Paul Blackburn. And these are on card. Chris Stratton. It looks like we got a pretty neat one in there. We'll save that for last. Elia Hernandez. And that is number 13 of 25. Not sure if you guys will be able to see that right there. Oh, wow. No way. Holy cow. Byron Buxton, 7 of 10. Wow, the overall number 2 draft pick. Holy cow. Wow, that is nice. These, was that one numbered? Paul Blackburn was not numbered. Hernandez was out of 25. Byron Buxton. Holy cow. That is awesome. Out of 10. The Chris Stratton was not numbered, and the last one is heading to the show. Nomar Mazara, 3 of 10. Wow, 2 really low numbered cards here. Wow. That's a nice looking card. And those are thick. How thick those are. Holy cow. Byron Buxton. Oh, I'd say that's definitely the other card of the break. Wow, I was not expecting that at all. I didn't even know he was in this product. Wow. Well, I can't beat that. That's probably got to be one of the best hits in the product. So, quick recap. Byron Buxton, 7 of 10. The Elia Hernandez, 13 of 25. Paul Blackburn, unnumbered. Chris Stratton, unnumbered. And the Nomar Mazara. And that one was out of 10. 3 of 10. Heading to the show. Alright, I'd say that was a really solid box. Can't beat that. Alright. Stay tuned for Panini Signature Series. Thanks for watching, everyone.